Welcome back. Today we're diving into 12 exciting ways to make money online in 2025. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. First up, we have AI tools. Imagine creating stunning YouTube thumbnails in minutes. By using platforms like Canva or Adobe Express, anyone can design eye-catching visuals without any graphic design experience. But that's not all. AI can also help generate content ideas. Tools like ChatGPT can assist in brainstorming video topics that are trending. Just input a few keywords, and voila! You have a list of engaging ideas ready to go. Next, let's talk about faceless YouTube channels. This trend is booming. Creators can use stock footage and voiceovers to produce content without ever showing their faces. It's perfect for those who prefer privacy but still want to engage an audience. Now, on to affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to earn passive income. By promoting products through unique affiliate links, individuals can earn commissions on sales made through their recommendations. It's simple. Just find a niche, sign up for affiliate programs, and start sharing your links on social media or a personal blog. Who doesn't love a good meme? Creating memes is not only fun but can also be profitable. By building a dedicated social media page around memes, individuals can attract followers and monetize through sponsorships or merchandise. The key is to stay current with trends and engage your audience. Have a skill to share? Consider creating an online course. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to package your knowledge into a course format. Whether it's cooking, coding, or crafting, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Finally, let's explore app development. With the rise of no-code platforms like Bubble and Adalo, anyone can create an app without extensive programming knowledge. Whether it's a game, productivity tool, or something entirely unique, the app market is ripe for new ideas. There you have it, 12 innovative ways to make money online in 2025. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.